When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello, Maree here. Are you ready to do some Kidpower? Oh, good. Well, we are too. There's Kidpower Teddy back there with Floppy Dog and Kangaroo and Joey and Turtle on Teddy's head. It's good to know that Turtle asked Teddy if that was okay before climbing up there, just so as you know. Now, today we're going to do check first power. It's a very good power to use before you talk to someone that you haven't met before, before you take something from somebody that you haven't met before, or go with someone. For example, oh yes, I know, it's very, very good to use check first power before you change plans that you've made. And who do you check first with? The adults in charge. So, for example, these ones back here have stayed at home whilst Kidpower Kiwi and Sheepdog have gone back to school. Have you enjoyed being back at school? Has it been a bit different? Is that okay? Great. Now, you had a bit of a problem, didn't you? Yes. On your first day back at school, we'd made a plan, hadn't we? Who was going to pick you up? Yes, I was going to pick you up. That's right. But I had to do something else all of a sudden. And so I asked our friend to come and pick you up. But did you know I'd done that? No, you didn't, did you? So when our friend came to pick you up, what did you do? Ah, did you go with them straight away? What did you do? Yes, you did just tell me that. You checked first, didn't you? That's great. And how did you do that? Oh, gosh, you're clever. They went to their teacher and asked their teacher to call me so that they could know if I wanted to change the plan. What did I say? Did I say no? Did I say yes? Yes, I had to change the plan. And did you get a good ride home with our friend? Wonderful. Okay, check first power. So remember, if you need to change the plan or want to change the plan you've made with the adults in charge, or before you go with somebody, or before you take something from someone, check first with the adults in charge. Okay, bye for now.